So welcome guys to another video. We're gonna be doing So yes, here's our warning. This game has loud noises and bright flashes lights. If you have epilepsy, please do not continue watching this video. So let's head into it. Are you already in Super Yosh? Yeah, we're doing this with too. So we're gonna be playing with Super Yosh. I've not told you that yet. Waiting until I'm ready to load to start. And press 3. Oh wait, I got 2 time. Huh? What? Like, I don't even have to click it. Okay. Time. We are joining. Oh, I spelled it wrong. I put the E. But the B. Oh my god. Yeah. I spelled it wrong though. I don't know why I cannot go back. Oh, I'm pressing the enter, that's why. Oh. No. Almost done. Oh my god. Yeah. I'll see you guys into it there right now in 3, 2, 1. Yep. Okay, we are here now. So, what are we going to be doing? And what's your YouTube channel?
We are gonna be defeating the Sun Boss, and my YouTube channel is Super Yosh 19.
But now it's just Super Yosh.
Yeah, but when it's search Super Yosh up, it doesn't really work anymore. But when you do Super Yosh 19, it just pops up Super Yosh.
Okay.
It's very confusing.
Oh yeah, because your password's Super Yosh 19. Yeah, your password's still the same. Well, let's go defeat the Sun Boss.
Yeah, I know how to do it. I also beat the Darkness Boss in like one of my other videos.
You want to defeat both of them?
You go and see that if you can. It'll show you how to beat it yourself. I don't know how to. Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Anyway, lobby.
Lobby.
I'll show you what to do.
Oh.
Welcome. We're gonna be going into.
Wait, I don't know.
The game modes.
Game modes. Let's defeat the Sun Boss.
Now we're gonna go to.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Super.
Now we're gonna need this to be day.
It's in day for me.
Obviously, like. By the way, we're gonna be fighting that sun up there.
Okay.
That was because there is like a little cheat to do this, and after this we're gonna hang out, maybe goof around. So, yeah.
Wow. Oh wait, can I get the apple? I want the apple. Oh, apple.
Yeah, it's a little collectible. Now, first of all, we're gonna have to come down here. I believe I can fly.
I believe I can fly. And go check out his video where he posted when they checked out the Sun Boss. I hope this video goes viral and then they actually look at your video because you're very.
Anyway, we're gonna need to get this yellow orb.
I want you to.
Then we're gonna have to die.
Oh snap!
It's over there. Whee! See you in hell.
What? Okay, I'll go. Oh no. Whoa.
Alright, now we're back here. We're gonna go over here. Now it's gonna take a. Oh, there's also a soccer ball collectible right here.
I selected it already. I didn't get anything.
Yeah, that's because you probably already got it. Anyway, come over here. Now I do have my notebook and I do have a notebook and that holds the code to like the sun boss because we do need a code. So when we get there, it's probably gonna be like a few seconds, like maybe like a minute or so, to get, so I can get my notebook out and get the code.
Yeah. Okay.
Over here. Now, we can do the moon boss, but it's way harder than the sun boss.
So we should do the sun boss definitely first if we're gonna even do the dark boss.
I think we're gonna do like the moon boss in like a different video.
Yeah, we should. So stay tuned to see that other
I gotta go video. Here. Hold on, let me get my
handy dandy notebook.
Notebook. Sun boss. I said the code is 9672.
I'm completely.
Oh, I didn't even notice, but they added 67. If you don't know, I do not like 67.
How do I restart?
I'll press this.
Nine. Wait, what?
Oh yeah, 9, 6, 7, and then 2. No, wait, no. Get rid of all those. Get rid of everything. Get rid of everything.
What?
No, get rid of everything.
It says 9672.
Oh wait, then 9, 6, 7.
Yeah, that's what it says. It says it was hard to click.
And then press this.
Oh, correct.
And then it's over there.
Oh yeah.
It's the orb.
You upset
me. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! Up! I know. Quickly, come to me. Over here. Oh yeah, over here. You want to do this? Put your hand up. Like this. Don't want to put it at the very corner though.
Oh, you want my hand at the very...
Yeah. Oh, that will almost kill us, but don't worry. I want to get to the fire point, you have to follow me. He said I'm not trying to...
Tornado?
If you think we're trying to hurt us, there's a little tornado.
Okay, this is...
Not even close. Oh, never mind.
Oh gosh, that was good. Are you filming? I thought you're not.
I'm not filming.
Oh, I thought, like you're saying you're like. I feel like you're not filming.
Oh no, come with me. Oh no, take it. He's here for now. Oh gosh. Oh, come over here. Stay right here.
Oh. Oh no, I fell.
Oh man, I did it.
This is too hard for me.
Okay, I'll die for it.
I'm gonna be where the soccer ball is.
I died, I didn't get the award, but that's fine, man, it's fine.
Let's try that again.
I get to play it again with you.
Should we try it again?
Yeah, your people, you know how to do it. My viewers already know. Guys, we're gonna skip to when we're back. Probably gonna be like I know at the 5 stage. So see you guys in 3, 2, 1, clap.
Okay, we are here. Let's go inside in 3, 2. Oh, you completely ignored my countdown. Great, yay!
Alright guys, here we go again.
Okay, let's.
Ay! Hurry, hurry, hurry. The cheat code. Make sure not to have it like too far at the end. The music actually looks good.
Yeah. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for it.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think it's an actual song.
Yeah, I know, but still get copyrighted. Tornado. It's getting too close. Oh my god.
Oh!
That's way too close.
Way too close. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dude.
I think it's. I stayed myself.
Remember the process.
It's right after this, right? Okay.
It's not yet. Wait, no, not yet, not yet, not yet. Now come. Oh god. Oh god. Let me stay here. Don't fall off. You've done it.
Oh, dot. It seems you know how to survive each element. Yeah, I do. I'm so good. Super Yosh taught me nothing. Super Yosh taught me nothing. Super Yosh taught me nothing. You taught me nothing. Wait, why are we still on the call?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go.
Well, we got this now. Now, what do you want to do?
I do want to defeat the moon boss, but yeah, that's gonna be way too challenging, so let's not do that in this video. But stay tuned to watch that video. Let's go right now. 3, 2, 1.
My back is right here.
Back again.
Oh no!
Oh, you're still alive.
Hi.
Let's go to more game modes.
Yeah, do you want to try the moon boss, or do you not want to do that? Because I think if we fail the moon boss, I think we're gonna have to like retry tomorrow. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we should try. We should. Okay, where is it?
We should. It's in low gravity.
Ooh, low gravity. That seems cool. Whoa, this is cool. Lane.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Hello.
Let's cut the chase. Oh! That I already died.
I already failed.
This is so hard.
Yeah, we have to retry tomorrow, man.
No, you have to retry tomorrow. So you can't. Oh,
yeah.
That's what you meant. I thought you meant like we should try tomorrow. So we're just playing zero gravity for now.
You want to try beating the darkness boss?
What?
Want to try beating the darkness boss? It may take like 6 minutes. Sure, because we need to find like all of like things constantly. Guys, I want to give you another cosmetic. Sure.
Super Yosh, I found it. I found a cosmetic.
Well, you found one of them.
Dude, it's a hot hamburger. I mean.
Yeah, get that.
Okay, I got her. Where are you?
Another one, a UFO.
Where?
It's over here. Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, got it.
Get it?
Yep.
Okay. If you want to beat the darkness boss, you're gonna have to come here. Ooh, but
collect. Oh, click it. Okay, I got it.
Yeah. Now you forgot what the other ones were, so we are gonna have to watch another video to see that. So,
or we can
just try that.
We can look at them. Are you sure there's more?
Yeah, there's more. There's more. There's more of those things. Oh, let's go.
This is actually fun playing with you.
Yeah.
You want to do Flash Flood again? That was pretty fun.
Oh yeah, we could do that. I suck at it though.
You remember last time?
Yeah, you didn't actually upload the video, did you?
No, I didn't. Yeah, that video didn't get uploaded.
Alright guys, now we are in Flash. I'm not gonna be the total sponsor anymore because I totally forgot what to do.
No!
No.
Super Yosh, I died.
You did?
Yeah.
I made it. I don't think. No, I didn't make it! I couldn't make it fast enough.
I can't click it.
That's because we already got it.
Oh.
If it's green, that means we already
Oh
got
yeah, I forgot if it's green. I thought if it was red. I literally forgot. Wait, what am I? No. No.
Go down.
No. No. I was so close. Well, now I can get the last one easy peasy. No, actually, I already got them all. Let's go. How are you doing better than me? Last time you were selling so hard.
I know. We gotta go get this one. And this one.
Go to the highest one.
I guess this one we just can't fall. It's not really rising. Oh man, I missed one!
No. Super Yosh, it sent me back. It sent me back to the lobby. That's weird. Super Yosh?
Man! I died!
Oh. Super Yosh? Oh, so you also got sent back to the lobby?
Yeah, I tried to get like one that was really far up. I almost got it.
Yeah, I also almost got that.
Fell.
Yeah, that one is so hard to get. That one is so hard to get.
I'm getting that one first next time.
Why we spawn somewhere different?
And if you hear stuff in the background, that's just me. Sorry.
Huh? I don't hear anything in the background.
I got this one. I got this one. Oh god. Oh god, there's one over there. Oh no, no, no.
No, 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 no. No!
No, 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 no. I failed. I tried to
Same,
kill.
I also died. I had to restart. Okay, I can go in now. I'll wait for you.
Go in now.
No, I'm waiting for you.
I'm going for this system.
We should go for that.
What? Why is it easy now?
It's not easy.
It was easy. It was easy now.
Oh, that's how you feel it.
Oh my god, I messed up bad.
No! Super Yosh? Super Yosh, where are you?
Over here, I'm over here.
Where?
In flashlight.
You went back?
Yeah, because I died.
I also died.
I found the next piece to the
Same, I also found that.
Piece to the darkness boss too.
I found that too.
I just failed. How did I fail?
I failed? What? There's no water. No. I'm selling. I'm selling today.
I'm low-key selling. Oh! I just saved.
Nope, I'm
insane.
I'm dead. Oh, this one. This should be. Okay, go. Let's go now.
I have to get this one first. Learn that. We learned that the hard way.
Yep.
Hey?
Oh, you're still alive. Okay, good.
Oh, it's that one. It's this one that was hard.
Yeah, that one's super hard.
Man, I'm getting that one next. Alright, so let's see if I can do it.
Oh, I didn't even.
Oh, I did it!
You actually did that?
Yeah.
Oh, I did it. I did it.
I made it. I can go to the next level now.
No,
I was just
we both did it.
myself.
Come on.
I was just lost though. Go, next level, baby.
Oh, this is gonna be hard. What is this? You have to do it in the right order?
No.
I can't click them. How do you click them?
No, dude, it's not. It's this one. It's this one.
Oh, go, go,
and dice. I'm slicing and dicing you. But I need to come to shop real quick.
Yeah, I've not went to the shop once. I should get a new, like, some.
So I said to you, baby.
Let me in. Let me in. Super Yosh. Super Yosh, let me in. Super Yosh. Cube runners. Cube runners. Super Yosh. Super. Help me. I want to come in.
Oh, you just gotta wait a little bit.
I don't trust you.
How do I get on? Hold on, let's go to the collectibles.
Collectibles. Super Yosh?
Yeah, I'm over here. Go towards back.
What are you doing? How do you get in there? How'd you get in there?
You gotta wait a little bit until it's ready.
How do I look? Oh, I have a UFO on my head.
Hold on. It's looking
super.
Hi. Oh no,
Hi.
you got the sunboss thing on.
Well, I have 800 apples.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. Should we do some more game modes?
Sure.
Well, my viewers at 2% though. So you know I'm gonna end the video.
Okay.
Okay, go subscribe to Super Yosh 19. I'll link it in the description. The description. You guys know what I'm saying. Well, bye guys.